guys. Well, this is awkward. Okay. So, yeah, it's been a few months. That's my bad. That's my bad. Let me just explain myself before y'all throw tomatoes at me. Number one, literally my schedule every day is just go to work, come home tired. So we don't really have the energy to be filming. I mean, filming or editing. Number two, this video that you're gonna see today is from last month. So my bad. But yeah, one thing about me, it's easy for me to film, but editing, oh, that takes energy. Especially if the video is long. And the last video I did, that was pretty long, so it took a lot of energy out of me. So yeah, I'm gonna do better this summer because like there's gonna be, I have already mentally mapped out what to film, so I'm hoping I can push out more vlogs this summer. But yeah, sorry for the delay. I just get tired from work when I come home. But yeah, on some weekends I stay home. I literally just stay home and I don't go out. So it's like, well, it's not really vlog material. It's not really nothing like to film. So yeah, that's why it's like, okay. And then basically after this video was filmed, I just stayed home. So there was really nothing for me to really like the following weekends there was just really nothing for me to like film. So yeah, my bad. But also the weekends I did go out, I either forgot to film because, you know, I'm just enjoying my time here in Korea. I'm just enjoying it. And then or I would film a little bit, but it's not meant for like a vlog. It's not meant for the vlog. It's just meant for like me. It's just meant for like maybe my socials, but that's it. It's not really like, oh, I'm gonna put this in the vlog. So I don't film with that mindset. So that's why it's like, okay, well, that's all we have. Today, I hope you enjoy this video. I think I did a lot this weekend. This was during spring break here in Korea, so we had a few days off. So this was how my spring break went. It's supposed to get so late. Again, I'm so sorry, but yeah, do enjoy. All right, on to the video. I don't know what kind of transition I should be doing, but here we go. laughing too. Nice. Okay, now we going. Right? Okay, maybe she's right. I'm down for whatever. Right? That's cute. He's a little further back. Yeah. Yes, perfect. Yes, good. Okay. Loki, have you put on like it's not working. What's up? It's I think it's 10. I don't know. I don't know if I filmed enough today, but it's been 2 days in Gyeonggi-do, so tomorrow my friend and I will leave and we'll go to Seoul. And then I'll stay in Seoul for the weekend at my friend's place, my other friend's place. So yeah, tomorrow the itinerary as follows. We're gonna go in the morning, take the bus, go to Seoul, and then we're gonna go to some pop-ups tomorrow. So you're gonna see some ateez pop up. There's an anime called Tamon's B-side, so we're gonna go to that pop-up as well. And then we're gonna go we're gonna try to go to the palace and wear some hanboks. So get some spring pictures, hopefully whatever cherry blossoms are left. So yeah, that's the itinerary for tomorrow. For the evening, I don't know, because she'll be going back home back here to Gyeonggi-do, and we'll see what my friend in Seoul wants to do tomorrow night. So yeah, and then Sunday I'm going home back to Daejeon, and we'll see. That day is more of chill. I just have a hair appointment. I'll see if they can help me vlog that. We'll see. I don't know how the influencers be doing it, but yeah, you can see that process. But yeah, and then I think a lunch for fall with some friends. So then I come home. So yeah, that's gonna be the plan maybe for the next 2 days. So yeah, see you and good night. I'ma go be sad. They're out of reservation for the day, so no ateez. Yeah. Maybe we can. It must be okay. Girl, I'm taking my chance. Oh my god. The baby. Baby. Ah. Okay, I'm happy now. get in. be reserved. So we gotta wait for the email. Right, reserving for this was easy. For the ateez pop-up, that was out of pocket. I will forever be salty with that. Forever be salty with that. Anyway, we're gonna go to the Oran Host Club pop-up now. They better have stuff or I'm gonna be mad. We're here. That's my man right there. I got the cosplay. I'll post a picture here. Oh, they got the chibis. That's so cute. Stop. Okay, period. Let's go in. '20th anniversary? That's so crazy. It's been that long. Old. Oh no. I don't know what I want yet, but I'm gonna look around. He looks so good there. Oh, so it's like that. That's cute. And then these are glitter sugar things. We got something. Oh my god, we're here. Stop, we're here. Oh my god, we're here. Anyway. I did the SNS events and I got some on. Let's go. Show yours. Show yours. Show yours. You got Kato, Leader Nim. Let's go. Okay. Okay. That's so cute. Oh my god, he's so cute. Okay. Now for this one. Cut the cameras. I feel like I'm gonna be struggling for a bit. Okay. This one. 3, 2, 1. Stop! I got rinse to roll. Stop! That's my man. Period. I got Kato. Kato might be the bias wrecker.
But I love these outfits.
Show your photo cards.
Oh, let me take them back out.
Yes. Let's go. Oh my god. This cake slaps. 10 out of 10.
Forgetting to unbox this.
It's all of them. Oh, they're all wrapped. They're all wrapped.
Okay. Start with this. like good quality.
Yeah.
It's like thick.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I bought this. Winter roll. Let's go. Just the way it's glued. We got Kato. Oh, he's so pretty. Stop. Is it Timon or Natsuki? Ooh, Timon. Nice, okay. Hilas is obviously Natsuki. But we can see what his card looks like.